work. As you can see, like
Does it have a closet?
yeah, it has it
Oh,
already.
okay. Yeah.
Yeah, it does need some work. Like if you don't like carpet, you need to rip that out and
Oh, this is the one that has options, right? To like,
Mhm.
for the flooring.
yeah.
Yes,
So this
open.
one, as you can see, the
Hmm.
finish of the floor.
Okay.
So it's kind of
Awan, tilak na.
Oops, are you okay?
Good.
Stand up. You close it and open.
Sit down.
Yeah. Let's check the back.
So this one you have to do the painting,
Oops.
flooring.
Yeah.
Wait,
What kind of flooring are you guys looking for? Are you okay with laminate florins or?
Laminate is fine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you got this over here.
as long as possible, we want living as laminate, not carpet.
Yeah.
You don't want
It's-
carpet
it's-
at all? You
It's
don't
hard
want
with
carpet?
carpet.
Yeah, yeah, I know. I know a lot of people nowadays they don't do carpet. I'm one of
It's
those.
room is fine, but
Yeah,
living room, no.
but it has to be like a different kind of carpet
Mhm.
Yeah.
too, like that for a new one. So this one has a closet right over here. You see that all the doors are kind of messed up. I can't even open this one, so it's kind of. I mean, it's almost as big as the other one. I don't know if I'm picking it.
Is that a walk-in?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it has quite a bit of space. It's just hard to open.
Mas mamaya dyan muna.
Na?
Mas may keket ko dyan muna.
Mas lalo mo lang gagawin ba?
Pero kitang tilikod na, nagmayat.
Come here, buddy.
Ay! Saba. Sabali making bagi ko na ano bagi na pwede ko.
And you have your yard. You don't have much yards on this one's more towards the side.
Okay.
Yeah, you're right there with the neighbor.
Hi, neighbor.
You really have to like your neighbor.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you don't have as much yard as the other one.
Yeah, for the other one, yeah.
Yeah. And the garage area I didn't show you, but it's gonna be on this side.
Oh.
I can't really open it because there's stuff all over it, but if you want me to.
Orisak kay kay ko dyan A. Tapos lang nasupsupit. Nasupit. Nung nalawa mo lang. Okay na rin. Ano? Ay! Asa na ti presyo na nalawa? Amon tinangayatak ti sango na lang.
Ha?
Tinagmayatan. Nangayatak dati sango na lang. Talagang
Tapos ka muna ka.
talagang nga mapawaw ka no ti paano ti nagmayat dati ni. Nang tapintas datoy. Nagmayat ti kuana. Yung madi basit.
X.
X. Pero pag andito ka tignan mo naman, pag andito ka talagang mapapawaw ka yung view niya, Kasla iso ti kapintasan dito nga banda ni.
Kung na di ba pag awantan mo dito kaya ano dito. Muna.
Kuman nato na ikwata di imununan. Kay kahit ko wala diyain
Daddy.
Hanggang na pintas. Nariga da malako nata. Sa bagay may amulatan ni. Ti ko na surrounding na.
Dapat.
Na. Kaya mo nga balay mansyon.
Kung nalatat ka sa ito.
Ay wala kay kahit ko mo na.
Awan. The process lang.
Ah.
I like it. Check it you isang mo lang.
Sango lang. Talagang nagpintas ti sango. Tignan nyo guys, ang ganda ng harap.